Hey guys, we're back with an update on number 183 of these Fahrenheits. One thing to mention before we put it down here on the ground, while it was on a lift, he turned all the rotors. All the rotors are turned. It's got brand new tires on it. And we seem to have a problem with this one over here. Like it's got, like the rim's cracked or so, because it's not keeping air at all. So the rims are pretty bad shape too. But it's been sitting for a while. These cars are pretty bad for the headliners. This one's shot too. It's hanging. So stuff in the seat all the way around. Around the front. Update on the front. Got the manifold back on. S3 injectors on. Internals in the fuel pump are on, and it's on and in. Went with 03 Motorsport for the upgrade kit. Then we're fixing to put the throttle body on, boost pop, intercooler pop. We're ready for the next thing coming. And trying to finish this up. All this today. And we'll see what we can do with it. Say bye.